This is a 2022 Ford F250 SuperCab XLT 4x4. It's a one-owner truck with no accidents recorded on the history report. The Ford still has remaining factory warranty. It runs and drives nicely. The interior and exterior are very clean. The tires are 18-inch Toyo Open Countries, and they are in good shape. It has a 6.2-liter V8, 6-speed automatic transmission, 8-foot box, FX4 Off Road Package, skid plates, 373 rear axle, 9,900 Pound GVWR Package, Snow Plow Prep Package, Trailer Tow Package with Trailer Brake Controller, heavy-duty shocks and front stabilizer bar. Features include XLT Package, FX4 Package, Pre-Collision Assist with Automatic Emergency Brake System, SOS Post Crash Alert System, Ford Pass Connect capable, Sync 3 infotainment with Bluetooth, Sirius XM satellite radio and backup camera, power windows and locks, river sensing system, reverse alarm, cruise control with tilt wheel, air conditioning, tailgate step, spray in bed liner, remote start and keyless entry. Here is a rare find with the 8-foot bed. It's ready to work, play or commute on the Montana roads, no matter what season it is. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana